Stress, anxiety, and constant overthinking can overwhelm the nervous system, leaving us drained, restless, and disconnected. But the good news is, your body already knows how to heal itself when you guide it into a state of inner peace. In this video, I'll share practices to help you find inner peace and support nervous system healing so you can restore balance and energy in your life. Why peace heals the nervous system. When you're stressed, your nervous system switches into survival mode, what we call fight, flight, or freeze. Over time, this creates exhaustion, anxiety, and even physical pain. But when you cultivate inner peace, your body activates the parasympathetic system, the rest and restore mode. This is where true healing begins. Practice 1. Calming breathwork. Let's begin with the breath. Inhale gently through your nose for 4 counts. Hold for 2. And exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 counts. This breathing pattern signals your nervous system that it's safe to relax. Repeat this for a few cycles and notice how your body begins to soften. Practice 2. Gentle body scan. Now, close your eyes and bring awareness to your body. Start from the top of your head and slowly move down. As you scan each area, imagine sending love and relaxation there. This not only calms your mind but also helps your nervous system release tension stored in your muscles. Practice 3. Grounding visualization. Visualize roots growing from your feet deep into the earth, anchoring you in safety and stability. Imagine the earth sending calm, healing energy back up through those roots into your body, soothing your nervous system with every breath. Practice 4. Self-compassion. Speak kindly to yourself. Place your hand on your heart and repeat softly, I am safe. I am calm. My body knows how to heal. These gentle affirmations rewire the subconscious and help your nervous system shift from survival to healing. Practice 5. Daily habits for a calm nervous system. Inner peace is not just a moment of meditation, it's a way of living. Your daily habits shape how safe and balanced your nervous system feels. Gentle movement like yoga, tai chi, or even mindful walking helps release stored stress. And nourishing foods, especially calming herbal teas, support your system from the inside out. Practice 6. Emotional release and nervous system healing. Oftentimes, our nervous system holds on to unprocessed emotions, fear, grief, or past experiences. By practicing mindfulness and self-compassion, we create a safe space for those emotions to be acknowledged and gently released. Remember, inner peace doesn't mean suppressing feelings. It means allowing them to flow and dissolve in kindness. Practice these steps daily, and you'll notice your stress melting away, your energy returning, and your inner balance restored. Thank you for joining me. If this video brought you peace, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who may need nervous system healing today.